next question is with Murthy sir. Sir, whenever there is a question regarding calculation, like if the interviewer asks something related to calculate something, the candidate gets panic and sometimes he is not able to answer accurately. Sir, how should one prepare for those questions?
See, basically calculation related questions are not very common. It is very random questions. Sometimes it comes, especially it comes for entries which are 10 plus 2 TES entries or AFCAT entries sometimes. Rarely I have seen calculations which is for ND entries basically.
Yes, sir.
But however, you have to be prepared, especially in some of the Air Force selection board. It is basically to, what happens is candidates come prepared. Nowadays, every candidate comes with coaching. So how does an entering officer remove the mask of coaching? कैसे उसके अंदर में जाए?
Yes.
कैसे उसके दिमाग के अंदर निकले? So that the actual truth comes up. So entering officer क्या करता है? एक sort of a question ऐसे देता है जिसमें कैंडिडेट को थोड़ा सा घबराहट कर हो जाता है. जब कैंडिडेट को घबराहट हो जाता है तो उसका जो प्रिपरेशन स्ट्रैटेजी है जिसमें प्रिपेयर कर रहा है कि मैं ऐसे बोलूंगा वो निकल जाता है.
Yes.
वो टूट जाता है. नाउ द एंटरिंग ऑफिसर पीछे में एक क्वेश्चन छुपा के रखता है, उसको सीधा अंदर घुसा देता है. सो द कैंडिडेट हैज टू बी रिलैक्स कंप्लीटली, बी कूल एंड बेसिक क्वेश्चंस लाइक वॉल्यूम, एरिया, रूम कितना है, ऐसे क्वेश्चंस आते रहते हैं. सो जनरली कैंडिडेट शुड नॉट बी स्ट्राइविंग फॉर एक्यूरेसी. जरूरत नहीं है.
Yes, sir.
Because all entering officer knows that it's very difficult to वैसे just by looking at a room or calculating the speed of a train or the duration of travel, ये सब में it's a little bit of approximation चलता है.
Yes, sir.
So candidate should be अपना cool and अपना composure को गिराना नहीं है. You should be maintaining cool and calm and answer the question in a comfortable and confident manner.
Yes.
Whether थोड़ा बहुत 19-20 अगर mistake भी हो जाता है तो it is acceptable.
Yes.
Because all entering officer knows that candidates, even especially for 10 plus 2 TES या नहीं तो ND candidates, are prone to make mistake. That doesn't mean that accuracy is more important. The method of answering is more. That is what is.